Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to CryptoJet, where today we're going to be talking about Unifi, a coin that aims to unify all of the different and various blockchain networks on the planet that exists. So basically so that you can send payments between these networks, so that you can connect them to build applications and a lot of these different things. Now we're definitely going to cover it more in a further video, but currently we're going to go through the technicals and tell you why this is one of the worst performing coins that I've seen during this correction actually. As you can see, even during the stages of the bull run, this coin was just simply consolidating, right, at a massive rate. So I don't call this an uptrend, I don't call this a downtrend. I simply call this whole region up here a huge area of consolidation, which was broken out of, obviously, when we saw those bearish tweets from Elon Musk. And currently we're consolidating between the almost $10 mark and the $16 mark right about here. So these are two important areas. Right about here we've formed a price floor, and we're currently going to wait and see what the price is going to do. Now the price is actually below the 50 period moving average. We're going to remove the 200 period one because there's not enough time on this chart to actually display 200 periods on the daily time frame. So currently we're going to move on to the 4-hour time frame and see where this coin is going to go, because I'm pretty sure in the near future we're going to see somewhat of a consolidation in this area before potentially moving upwards, in case this project is a good one and in case their developers actually deliver on all of the promises they have made. So we can see that the relative strength index is currently not oversold, but it is in the lower region. So expecting a little bullish correction is not the last thing that we should expect. So what I'm going to do right now is plot a downtrend right here. We can very clearly see 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4, 5, 6. It's a valid downtrend, right? And it's pretty much following the 50 period moving average line. Now, what can we expect right now? We can see that there was one strong bullish candle which broke out of this uptrend and downtrend, and now we're moving upwards. Now, these are not regular highs, higher highs and higher lows. We do not see that, which means we should be careful at this point, because we may see a bounce from the 50 period moving average, move down into this zone, into the price floor once again, before starting to move bullish and make higher highs and higher lows. Now, this is definitely what's going to happen, because as the bull run continues, interest will rise in this project as with many others, and we're going to see higher highs and higher lows, obviously. But I really think that these bullish candles are a good sign, especially for this coin, because it's pretty much been dropping ever since the 3rd of May, even before all the news started coming out. So I guess people don't really have enough faith in this project. I guess we're going to have to cover it at some point so I can tell you a little bit more in depth of what I think about it. Do I really see some potential, and what we can do about that? But definitely would wait. I would advise for waiting at least until we break out of somewhere around this zone, so that we can have a clear movement upwards above this zone of resistance. Now on the 4-hour time frame, obviously we're going to be very cautious, because one scenario is that the price does bounce back down from the 50 period moving average, but on the other hand, we can bounce up and bounce down into the 50 period moving average, right? Just imagine this line continuing. That would be a very nice bullish indicator, finally having the average bouncing below the price, because as we can see historically, you see all of these touches, it touches the 50 period moving average and boom, bounces all the way down. Now there's definitely bullish examples of this somewhere at the beginning of the bull run. So something along the lines of this, something along the lines of this, and obviously something along the lines of these. So that's something that we should take care of. And that will be it for Unifi today. If you like the video, please let me know. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, ask me a question, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.